We are currently in the middle of our mindful walk. And so all around us, there are many yoga poses and mindful activities that students can do throughout their day. My perfect way of starting the day would be in nature. And so students are able to come out, take some deep breaths, kind of just become one with mindfulness. And so draw a picture of how you feel. Thinking about how does my body feel. I really like the fact that this is in English and also in Spanish. On the other side over here, we have some yoga poses, so the students are able to copy that yoga pose. This is also a perfect brain break, so instead of having a brain break on TV, they could come out and they could do tree pose, and they could practice on calming themselves before big tests, or calming themselves if their emotions are a little bit high. This is a perfect space to just come out, touch the dirt, take a breath, and just reset, and then re-enter the classroom and continue with the day.